AI can talk to you, answer your questions, but can it actually do real work for you? Now everything has changed. With RoxyBrowser MCP, your AI can perform genuine online actions within isolated profiles safely, privately, and automatically. As a MCP-powered Antidetect browser, RoxyBrowser ensures your AI workflows run with maximum efficiency and full privacy, achieving next-level productivity. RoxyBrowser MCP can seamlessly collaborate with popular AI clients such as ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, and more. No coding needed. Just follow these easy steps. Download and install RoxyBrowser. To enable your AI client to access MCP properly, a Node.js environment must be installed beforehand. Then configure your AI client using the following standard setup. Now AI can actually act for you, not just chat. Whether or not you know how to code, just tell the AI what you want to do, then it will make it happen. In separate browser profiles, it crafts and sends unique emails in seconds. It researches the latest privacy and security insights across the web, and even manages your TikTok accounts, browsing, engaging, and posting automatically. Your daily tasks handled intelligently, all within RoxyBrowser. Leverage AI to boost efficiency and increase profitability in your business. All you need is RoxyBrowser MCP. Save time, reduce errors, and start your operations like never before. Check the description below and click the link to set it up. The AI browser revolution starts here. Download RoxyBrowser and let AI actually work for you.